Need to check your RAV4's engine or fluids? This section will guide you through safely opening the hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the vehicle, typically under the dashboard on the driver's side. Pull the lever towards you until you hear a click. Next, exit the vehicle and go to the front of the hood. Slide your fingers under the front edge to find the secondary latch, a small lever or tab. Lift this latch while gently raising the hood. The hood should now open, supported by a built-in strut. Remember to consult your RAV4's owner's manual for model-specific details. Sometimes the hood release mechanism can get stuck, especially in older models. If the hood doesn't release after pulling the interior lever, try gently pressing down on the hood and pulling the lever again. For a sticky secondary latch, use WD-40 or a similar lubricant, but avoid overuse. Regular maintenance is key. Toyota recommends replacing the release cable every 100,000 to 150,000 miles, especially in humid climates where corrosion is common. Inspect the latch and cable annually for signs of wear or rust to prevent future issues. If you're still experiencing problems, consult a certified mechanic.